大家期待的这个11月5号的上海进博会，大家可以来参观我们这个传奇的88克拉的黑钻。但是据各方的记载呢，是起源于中世纪的这个欧洲，后来到了俄罗斯的皇室贵族手中，也就是 Koloff 这个家族手中，最后到了法国的巴黎，由这个 Koloff 的这个创始人丹尼尔先生呢，最后买下了这一个88克拉的传奇的黑钻。
Due to the COVID-19 circumstances, we are not as free as before to fly from one country to another country. But be assured that with my spirit and with my heart, I'm with you to celebrate this exceptional moment. Before the COVID-19 crisis, the Chinese market was one of the top 5 performing markets in the luxury industry in the world. Today, it's the number 1.